Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norleen. And from the title, you can tell I am doing a Jamaican breakfast. Now, people, breadfruit is one of Jamaican premium fruit, and it is eaten either roasted, boiled, or used to make a punch, or a combination of roast and fry. Yeah, we even have a song about roast and fry breadfruit. Yeah. So as you can tell, guys, today I will be doing a breakfast meal, and of course I am doing roast and fry over breadfruit. Now people, this is the roast breadfruit. Now as you can see, I am peeling it in a circular motion, guys. Now guys, this video promises to be good, so stay with me for the entire video. While you're at it, remember to hit the like button. Of course, share with your friends and encourage them too to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification, and of course leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me, how do you like your breadfruit? Now guys, after done peeling, I cut it in the center, guys, and cut it into quarter, guys, and then I will remove the core, or the pit as you might know it from the breadfruit, and then I cut it in thin slices. Our family and friends, are this Mr. Roast and fry this nice can done. I will fry it on both sides until it's golden brown like your girl whimsy. Your people, put it on grease paper. I'm using paper towel, guys, to drain away the excess oil. Next, guys, I'm going to pair this nice and good with Jamaica based ackee and saltfish, some tomato slices, and a ribbon of cucumber, guys. Now this is what we say: Jamaica nice can done. Food turn up 100. It was my pleasure serving for you Jamaica's best ackee and saltfish with roast and fried breadfruit, served with some tomato slice and some cucumber ribbons. It was my absolute pleasure sharing this dish with you. I invite you to like, share, subscribe, leave your comment, and of course, I'll see you next week with another interesting video.